Now these 166.66, these nothing but 100 percentage plus 66.66 percentage. These 1 plus 2 by 3, these 5 by 3. I just read these value. Income of a person is 5 by 3 more than his savings. Now saving is given. Income equivalent to expenditure plus saving. If the saving it is 3, income is 5 more than 3. 5 more than 3 it is 8. Expenditure it is 5. Are you all with me? So make it into simpler values. 800, 500, 300. Now it will be easy. Why am I making? Because all are in percentages. Income is increased by 11 percentage, 88. 88 it is increased. Expenditure is increased by 14 percentage. 14 percentage of 500, 70. These is nothing but 18. These is nothing but 18. Now, if the current, if he is current saving, it is 300 plus 18. This is the old income expenditure and savings, and this is the new current value. These 318, 300 plus change. 318, it is in the question 954. So it is into 3. Initial income is 800. 800 into 3, 2400. I hope the logic is clear. Make everything in the multiple of 100. Use the percentage. Don't complicate it. Simplify the problem. 12th, I hope it is clear. 13th one. If the salary of 28.125 percentage, 28.125 percentage, these nothing but 28, 125 it is nothing but 1 by 8. So 28 8s are 224, 224 plus 1, 225 by 8 into 1 by 100. These 15s are, 545s are, 520s are, 5 9s are, 5 4s are. It is 9 by 32. It is 9 by 32. Now you can also do like this. 1 by 8, it is 12.5 percentage. 1 by 16, it is 6.25 percentage. 1 by 32, it is 3.125 percentage. So this can be written as 28.125 percentage. It is 25 percentage plus 3.125 percentage. These 1 by 4 and it is 1 by 32. 32 LCM, 8 plus 1 it is 9. So it is 9 by 32. First, converting the percentage into fraction, it should be clear. It should be clear. Now the idea, let us go one by one. These are nothing but 9 by 32. Again read the question, replacing it with fraction. Salary of Ram is 9 by 32 less than Babu. That means if Babu is earning 32 rupees, Ram is earning 9 less than 32. It is 23. By what salary of Babu is how much more than Ram? So compared to Ram, which is 23, I am more by 9. 9 by 23. Already we discussed 1 by 23 and 1 by 29. They go together. 1 by 29 is the first lowest Pythagorean triplet, 3.45. 23 is interchange 4 and 3. So these 4.35. These 9 into 4.35. 9 into 4.35. I hope it is clear. All the options are quite far from each other. So if I take it is 9 into 4.5, it is nothing but 40.5. Answer should be just less than 40.5. This seems to be the option. This seems to be the option. I hope the idea it is clear. 9 into 4.35, it is less than 9 into 4.5. Answer should be just less than 40 point. These not possible, not possible, not possible. 13th one, all exam model questions. If income of X is 35.72 percentage, 35.72 is 50 percentage minus 14.28 percentage. 50 percentage is 1 by 2. 14.28 is 1 by 7. LCM 14, 7 minus 2. It is nothing but 5 by 14. X is 5 by 14 less than y. That means if y is 14, x is 5 less than 14. 5 less than 14, it is 9. Is this clear? The combined income of x and y. Combined income of x and y is 23. How much more than x? How much more than x? When compared to 9, 23, it is 14 more than 9. These 1 plus 5 by 9. 1 is 100 percentage. 1 by 9 is 11.11. 5 times 11. Answer is 155.55 percentage. 155.55 percentage. Only thing you should get this idea. 35.72 it is 50 minus 14.28. 50 minus 14.28. I hope the idea it is clear. So it is 5 by 14. So it is 5 less than 14, 9. 5 less than 14, it is 9. So combined of x and y is 23, is how much more than x? 23 is 14 more than 9. 5 by 9, it is 55.55. Where is the answer? 155.55. Next one. Price is decreased by 45 percentage, which is 45 by 100, 9 by 20. Price into consumption equivalent to expenditure. Price is decreased by 9 by 20. Question contains decrease. Decrease the denominator by numerator. If the denominator is 11, take the numerator, multiply by 9. 81.81 percentage. 81.81 percentage. I hope the idea it is clear. All exam model questions, solved it in the class. A into B equivalent to K. If A decreased by numerator by denominator, B will increase by numerator upon denominator minus numerator. Question contains decrease. Decrease the denominator by numerator. Next question. Now see here. The price is decreased by 45 percentage, which is 9 by 20. Consumption. How much consumption should be increased so that the expenditure will increase by 21 percentage. Multiple ways of solving the question. See here. Method number 1. Price into consumption. It is expenditure. So price is 45 percentage decrease. 9 by 20 decrease. Initial price 20. 9 decrease 11. 20 is to 11. 20 is initial, 9 decrease. Consumption. We don't know the consumption. X is to Y. Expenditure. Increase by 21 percentage. It is 100 and it is 121. So X will become 100 by 20. It is 5. Y will become 11. 5 by 11. 5 by 11 means 5 on 11. There is an increase of 6 on 5. 6 on 5 is 1 plus 1 by 5, which is 120 percentage. Which is 120 percentage. Price into consumption equivalent to expenditure, which is the ratio method. You can use a digital sum here to get the answer. That also we will see. Ratio method idea it is clear. Now method 2. Method 2. Digital sum approach. What is this digital sum approach? Let us see. All the answer options, digital sums are different. If you observe 8, 7, 3 and 4. Price into consumption equivalent to expenditure. Price is decreased by 45. On 100, 45 decrease, 55. Expenditure increased by 21. On 100, 121 increase. On 100, 121 increase. If I take the option 125, how much consumption should be increased? On 100, 125 increase, 225. Now see whether the digital sum is matching for these 1, these 1, these 9. 1 into 9, it is 9. It is 4. 9 equivalent to 4. Not matching. If I take the third option, 55 by 100, 120 increase, it is 220 by 100 equivalent to 121 by 100. 1 into 4, 4. 4 equivalent to 4. Digital sum is matching. I hope the idea it is clear. If you are not comfortable with the ratio method, go by the digital sum. These are the initial values. These are the final values. Initial value and final value. 16th, I hope the idea it is clear. 17th. 17th is extremely important. Right. These the question, maximum number of times this question came, sir. Price into, listen carefully, sir. Price into consumption equivalent to expenditure. Price is the amount I paid. Consumption is the number of quantities I purchased. Expenditure is the total money I spent. The government reduced the price of a sugar by 10%. 10%. It is 1 by 10 decrease. Price got decreased. Initial price it is 10. It decreased by 1. Final price it is nothing but 9. On 10, 1 decrease. Final it is 9. If the price increases, price into consumption equivalent expenditure. Price increases, consumption decreases. Inversely proportional. Initial becomes final. Final becomes initial. I hope it is clear. 10% down. 10% down is nothing but on 10, 1 decrease. 9. Initial becomes final. Final becomes initial. Now see here. Initially I bought 9 kgs of sugar. Now I bought 10 kgs of sugar. Why am I able to buy 1 kg more? Why? Because the price has gone down. 1 kg more when the initial consumption is 9. But according to the question, it is 6.2 kgs more. So initial consumption will be 6.2 into 9. Initial consumption will be 6.2 into 9 because 1 kg more is giving you initial consumption 9. 6.2 kg more. 6.2 into 9. Final consumption will be 6.2 into 10. 6.2 into 10. Right? Next one. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Initial. So total amount. Initial price will be. Price is nothing but expenditure by consumption. Expenditure anyway amount is 837. Consumption is 6.2 into 9. Final price I paid is 837 divided by 6.2 into 10. 6.2 into 10, which is 837 by 62. 31 2s are 62. 217. 27. So finally, final price, it is 13.5 rupees. I hope it is clear. Suppose I went to a shop. There is no price reduction. I purchased some kgs of rice. Each kg is worth something. Next day, the price got decreased by 10%. 10, 1 decrease, it is 9. Price and consumption. Final becomes initial. Initial becomes final. 1 kg more, it is 9. 6.2 kg more, 6.2 into 9. So the reduced price is 13.5. Reduced price is 13. 0.5. I hope the idea it is clear. Reduced price is 13.5. Next one, simple question, sir. They are not even complicated. All you have to do is just read the question, understand the idea. The salary of my brother is 10% more than me. 10% more, it is 1 by 10. That means myself, if my salary is 10 rupees, he will earn 1 rupee more than 10 rupees. So my brother will earn 11 rupees. The salary of my cousin is 27.27, which is 3 by 11 of my brother. 3 by 11 more than my brother. If my brother is earning 11 rupees, my cousin will earn 3 rupees more than my brother, which is 14. I hope it is clear. If I take 10, on 10 one more, 11. Cousin is 3 out of 11. 3 more out of 11. So it is 14. Next, a salary of my wife. Salary of my wife is 38 2 by 21. These little, if I do into percentage, I will get it. These nothing but 38 into 21 plus 2 divided by 21 into 1 by 100. 38 into 21, which is 38 into 20 plus 1, which is 760 plus 38, 798 plus 2, 800, which is nothing but 8 by 21, which is 8 by 21. So we will read the statement converting into fraction. It is 8 by 21 less than the total salary of me and my brother's salary. 10 plus 11 is 21, 8 less, so it is nothing but 13. Then it is nothing but 13. Now you can, then salary of my wife is same as my income. This is wrong. 7.14% less than cousin brother's income. It is 1 less than 14. 1 less than 14 is 1 by 14. 1 by 2 into 1 by 7. 14.28 by 2. 7.14% less. Nothing is there in this question. Convert everything into fraction and write down a line. Wife is 13, cousin is 14. So wife is 1 less than 14 compared to cousin's salary. 1 by 14, which is 7.14. 18th question. Next one. A price is decreased by 12.5%. 12.5% decrease. 1 by 8 drop. On 8 1 drop, it is 7. Then increased by 28.56% increased. It is 2 by 7 more. On 7 again to increase. 2 times price fluctuated. So one after the other. Overall it is 8 out of 9. 1 out of 8. So the final price change is, the final price percentage change is 1 out of 8, which is 12.5%. 12.5% is on 8 1 less 7. On 7 2 more, 8 became 9. So there is an extra 1 on 8, which is final percentage change is 12.5%. So, and now a person spends price into consumption equivalent to expenditure. Price into consumption equivalent to expenditure. Price is 12.5 more. It is 1 by 8. 8 is becoming a 9. Consumption, I don't know, X is becoming Y. A person's expenditure is 35% more. 100 becomes 35 more. So these is nothing but 100 by 8. X is 2Y and it is 135 by 9. So these nothing but 9 15s are 135. These nothing but 100 by 8. These 4 25s are 100, 4 2s are. So it is 25 is to 30, which is 5 is to 6. 5 is to 6. How much change in consumption? 5 is becoming 6. 1 increased on 5. 1 by 5. Answer is nothing but 20%. Answer is nothing but 20%. This is the ratio method. I told you, you can also use a digital sum approach. Method 1, 8 to 1 decrease, 7 to increase. 2 fluctuating changes is equivalent to 1 change. 8 will become 9. 1 by 8, 12.5%. Now see here, listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. How to eliminate answer options. How to eliminate? See here, percentage into consumption. It is expenditure. It is a 35% increase. These totally how much we got? These 87, 12.5% more. Final value 12.5% more. Listen carefully, sir. It cannot be 25. X is greater than A plus B. 24 plus 12.5. 36.5 plus something. 35. It cannot be. 24 cannot be. How can be 25? Suppose if it is 15. 15 plus 12.5 plus 15 into 12.5 by 100. You don't need to do ratio method. These 180. 180 by 100 is 1.8. 27 plus 1.8. It cannot be 35. 5 seconds you can solve the problem if you know the approach of x greater than a plus b. So answer is 20%. Answer is 20%. Idea it is clear? Or you can also do method number 3, digital sum. Digital sum will also give you the answer very fast. Price into consumption. It is nothing but expenditure. 35% more. 135 more. 135. This and this. I got 12.5%. 100 this will become 112.5 into 100. If it is 20 more. These is nothing but 120. These is nothing but 120. Check whether the digital sum is matching. 1, 1. These is nothing but 9. These is nothing but 9. 9 into anything 9. Just by looking at question itself, digital sum can also be used to cross check your answer. Digital sum method is there. X percentage greater than A plus B percentage method is there. Ratio method is also there. You take any method which you think is convenient for you, but try to get the answer in seconds. Next one. Go step by step, you will get the answer. Price is increased by 16.6%. It is 1 by 6 more. 6 will become 1 more. 7. Again increased by 28.56%, which is 2 by 7 more. 7, 2 more. It is 9. Again decreased by 62.5% down, which is 5 by 8 down. On 8, 5 decrease. It is 3. These the total fluctuating prices. These nothing but 7, 7 cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. It is 16 and it is 9. This is the price. Price. This is the price. One increase, another increase, the third one decrease. Third one decrease. Price. Price is moving from 16 to 9. 16.66 is 1 by 6. 6 became 7. It is nothing but 7 became 9. Again it is nothing but 8 became 3. These is nothing but 16.66. These is nothing but 28.56. These is nothing but 62.5. So if I multiply 7, 7 cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So it is nothing but 16 is becoming 9. This is price. I am just repeating so that you will understand it clearly. So this price. Initially it is 16. Finally it is 9. Consumption. consumption, but a person used 124, price is decreased, so the consumption will grow. So consumption initially it is 124, 16 became 9 means price is decreasing, right? So 124 217, 31 4s are 31 7s are, these nothing but 64 is to 63, 64 is to 63. What is the decrease? Decrease, it is nothing but 1 out of 64. These are nothing but 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. 12.5 into 12.5. So these are nothing but 12, 12, 144. Answer should be greater than 1.44 percentage. 13, 13. Answer should be less than 125 into 125. It is nothing but 5 5s are 25, add 1. 13 12s are 156. So answer is 1.5625. Answer is 1.5625. Idea it is clear? Very easy question. Price is decreased, consumption has increased. 124 217. Right? Don't write ulta. That is what I solved it again. Now this question is a take home for you. I am sure you can solve it. Price is increased by 22.22. It is nothing but 2 by 9. Then increased by k percentage. Plug in the answer. For example, if I take 36.36, these nothing but 4 by 11. I am taking this option. I am just showing you the approach. 15 5 by 8. These nothing but 125 by 8 into 1 by 100. 25 5s are 25 4s are. So these nothing but 15 5 by 8 percentage down, right? It is nothing but 5 by 32 down. It is increase, it is increase. So 9 has become 11, 11 has become 15, 15. Now if you try to analyze 15, 32 will become 27, 32 will become 27, 11 11 cancel, 9 1s are 9 3s are, 32 will become 45. Are you all with me? So these are nothing but final price. So if you see what is the next given, next is person reduced his consumption by 35 percentage, 35 percentage down, 5 7s are 5 20s are. So if it is 20, it is 7 down, it is 13. So these are nothing but 640 and it is nothing but 585. 640 is to 585. 640 minus 55. Check it out how much is the value. If you are getting 2.5, that is the answer. If you are not getting, go to the next value. 21st. I hope the idea it is clear.